had a fantastic experience over the last couple of days at the Growth Compass retreat here. It was a refreshing uh, kind of experience for me. One aspect of it was, of course, getting to learn a new topic, which was something that I hadn't explored earlier, which was the self-compassion. We have gone through interventions and did quite a bit of work in the space of compassion for others, right? But having the self-compassion piece, understanding it in its full essence, busting some of the myths along with Chris and Manish was something that was really a enriching experience for me there. Um, the blend in terms of Chris bringing in his expertise from the academia, the research part of it, and then Manish helping us understand how does it not only applies in the theoretical construct, but it can actually get translated into how we live life and in business. How does that translate into the kind of relationship that we build, its impact on us and others, and of course, in general, the overall productivity, engagement, which matters to business, right, in most of us. So that was really an interesting thread to actually follow. So happy that I was here, and the network, the friendship, the bond that we have formed, the conversations that we shared with each other, that sort of added a lot to the experience also. So quite a bit of immersive tools is what I actually picked up as some of the takeaways for me, and the idea lies in going back and practicing it. So I do have some sort of idea that how do I want to go about some of those 30 seconds, 45 seconds micro practices in between, say, two difficult conversations or back-to-back meetings that we can keep doing are something where I really feel there could be a lot of value that I can bring to myself by applying it in these small juncture and see over a period of time how this sort of builds like an habit, and I don't have to have any tool to remind myself, okay, Ramesh, you need to do this. This sort of is part of how I live life as. That's my idea of practicing some of these. Definitely would share some this with my team so that as a team we also benefit, right? Something works for me, I'm happy to share with others. Could work for them, could not work for them. They might have something better that I can pick up. So yeah, continue that learning, sharing with each other as part of the evolving journey.